Greetings to all. In the last class we started sea fever. Let us discuss the book back exercise for the poem. Page number 93 to 96. In page number 93 we have an activity. We have to write the words which relates to the sea. So the answers are voyage, wave, ship, harbor, export, island, navigate, sailor. All the words relate with the sea. In page number 95, we have choose. The title of the poem Sea Fever means option B, the poet's deep wish to be at sea. Number 2, the poet asks for dash and the option is C, a tall ship. Third one, the poet wants to lead a life at sea like dash. And the answer is option A, the gulls and waves. Let us discuss appreciation questions. I must go down to the sea again, to the lonely sea and the sky. And the question is, where does the poet want to go? Answer, the poet wants to go to the lonely sea. Question 2, and the wheels kick and the wind song and the white sails shaking. And the question is, what according to the poet are the pleasures of sailing? And the answer is, the pleasures of sailing are the wheels kick, the wind's song and the sails shaking. The poetic lines for third question, and all I ask is a windy day with the white clouds flying. And your question is, why does the poet ask for a windy day? The poet asks for a windy day because of his ship's easy sailing. Number 4, and all I ask is a merry yarn from a laughing fellow rover. And your question is, what kind of human company does the poet want? And the answer is, the poet wants a storytelling happy friend. And the last question, what does the poet want to do after his voyage is over? And the answer is, the poet wants to have a sound sleep. Let us discuss section D, poem appreciation. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with correct rhyming words from the poem. Sky, by, knife, life, rover, over. Question number 2, quote the line that has been repeated in the poem. I must go down to the seas again. This line is repeated twice in the poem, which means we have to write the repeated lines from the poem, which is known as repetition. Question number 3, write the poetic device which is used in the line below, and the lines are, and a grey mist on the sea's face. Here poetic device personification is used. Personification means giving human qualities to a non-living thing. Look at the phrase sea's face. Here a sea doesn't have face, only humans have face. Here a human quality is applied to a non-living thing. So the poetic device personification is used in these lines. And the last question, what poetic device is used for the comparison in the below line, where the wind's like a whetted knife? In the question itself we have answer. We use simile or metaphor to compare two things. In this line we used the word like to compare wind and the whetted knife. By that we can clarify simile is used here. And finally, section E, we have to fill the visual images and the sound images from the poem. Examples, visual images, wheels kick, and the sound images, wind song. We have many visual images and sound images. So children, you try to fill the tabular column in page 96. Hope you understood. Thank you children.